So I visited another apartment. So here, this place is absolutely huge. Okay, so it's a 6-bedroom apartment, brand new, untouched. He said it's 6 bedrooms, and there's no one here to actually show me around, so I'm gonna try my best to show you guys the area. So here is a washroom with a walk-in. It's not really a walk-in shower, it's like a wet washroom. Is that what it's called? Here, this might be the living room. Very big windows, I love that. Here is another, it might be a bedroom or a living room. Here is an entrance to the living room or bedroom. Absolutely big, mashallah. The kitchen, the entrance to the kitchen. There you go. Again, the kitchen's unfurnished. You're gonna have to get your own appliances, get your own furniture, cabinets. This might be a bedroom. Here is the intercom system. A washroom with a walk-in shower. Here we go. Love that. A sink to wash your hands. This is, I don't know what this is. Is it a closet? And a washroom? I don't know. Here is another bedroom. Is this a second kitchen? Or a laundry room? A huge bedroom with a washroom. A walk-in washroom. Love it. Love it. And another washroom. I don't know how many washrooms that was. And a bedroom. Okay. This is huge.